On 13th November 2024, the Korean drama industry was struck with grief as news emerged of the untimely passing of actor Song Jae-rim. The 39-year-old star, beloved for his remarkable acting and captivating visuals, was found lifeless in his Seoul apartment. A close friend, looking forward to a long overdue reunion, discovered the tragic scene and immediately notified authorities. Investigators found no evidence of foul play but uncovered a two-page note at the site, leaving fans and loved ones struggling to comprehend the sudden loss. The shocking news sent ripples across the entertainment industry, sparking grief and questions that remain unanswered. Jae-rim's journey to stardom began as a runway model, where his striking features and confident presence quickly made him a standout figure. He graced the pages of renowned magazines such as Vogue and Esquire, solidifying his reputation in the fashion world. However, his ambitions extended beyond modeling. Transitioning into acting, Jae-rim achieved his big break with the historical drama Moon Embracing the Sunday. His performance was lauded for its depth and versatility, cementing his position as a promising talent in the entertainment world. One of Jae-rim's most cherished career moments was his on-screen partnership with actress Kim So-yoon. The duo gained widespread fame through the reality show We Got Married, where they portrayed a married couple. Their genuine chemistry and heartfelt interactions earned them the nickname Solemn Couple and even the Best Couple award at the 2014 MBC Entertainment Awards. Fans were drawn to their authenticity, often mistaking their relationship for real-life romance. After the show ended, their bond continued to flourish, both on and off-screen. In 2016, they reunited in the drama A Gap Soon, portraying a couple navigating the complexities of modern relationships. Off-screen, their friendship remained strong, and Kim So-yoon's heartfelt tribute to Jae-rim following his passing deeply moved fans. She shared a touching message, writing, "Goodbye, Jae-rim. See you again," a reflection of her profound grief and admiration for her dear friend. As fans and colleagues mourned, troubling details began to emerge, raising questions about the circumstances of Jae-rim's death. Reports from Sports Chosun and Sports Kyunghyang suggested that he had been a victim of relentless harassment by a Sasaeng, obsessive fan, from Japan. This individual reportedly leaked sensitive personal information about Jae-rim and his loved ones, creating immense distress. Observant fans noted that Jae-rim had recently disabled comments on his Instagram posts, possibly to shield himself from further intrusion. These revelations sparked outrage among his followers, with many blaming the Sasaeng for contributing to his struggles. The fan ultimately deleted their online accounts, but the damage had already been done. Jae-rim's funeral, held at St. M Hospital in Seoul, was a solemn and emotional gathering attended by family, friends, colleagues, and fans. His manager, who had shared years of close collaboration with the actor, spoke about Jae-rim's compassionate nature and the deep bond they had formed. He recalled how Jae-rim had been a source of strength during his own hardships, always offering support and encouragement. Fellow actors and industry peers shared similar sentiments, flooding social media with heartfelt messages and tributes, highlighting Jae-rim's kindness and the joy he brought to those around him. Despite the outpouring of love and admiration, the mystery surrounding Jae-rim's passing lingers. The two-page note found at the scene, along with the ambiguous circumstances, has left fans and netizens speculating about the pressures and challenges he faced in his personal and professional life. While the authorities have not disclosed further details, the grief-stricken public continues to demand answers. Song Jae-rim's untimely departure has left a void in the hearts of fans and within the Korean entertainment industry. His legacy as a talented actor, model, and a kind-hearted individual will live on through the memories and work he left behind. May he find peace on his journey beyond, and may his light continue to shine in the hearts of those who cherished him. Rest in peace, Song Jae-rim.